What's going on, everyone? Got a 2017 BMW 3 Series. Today we're going to replace the remote key fob battery. First thing you're going to want to do is remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. There's a button you have right here. Just go and push it with your thumb and you can pull the emergency key out. Now what we're going to do is we're going to remove this back panel here. You want to get yourself a small flathead screwdriver. And we're looking right here on this corner. There's this little loop right here, and right above it there's this little tab. You can see it, there's one right here also, but we're gonna use that little tab and just pry up on it with our screwdriver. You can see how it pops the door open, the back panel off, and then it exposes the battery here. Okay, flathead screwdriver, and we just pry it right out. And I'll show you what size we're working with here. We're working with a CR 2450, positive sign facing out. Put it back in the remote, hold it in there and get our cover. Top side goes in first, and then we just snap it together. We're good to go. If you need a battery, check the description box below. There'll be links to Amazon for a new battery, and that's it. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate you. Drop me a like, leave me a comment, and see you again in another video.